Hey there, it's Rob, the Ignorant Entrepreneur, and today I want to give you a little twofer in celebration of getting me to 200 subs. I appreciate you guys. So I want to talk about a little stock. Well, recently not so much a favorite of mine, but a stock that I look at, I love the options play on it, which is Alibaba. And I also want to take a look at Cardano, which is a crypto that has been getting a lot of excitement. I'm looking at its chart, shows promise. So let's get into those two things. Let's start it out with BABA. Alibaba, based on the RSI indicator, which is a relative strength index, shows that BABA is now oversold. What does that mean? Let's get into it. Legendary investor Warren Buffett advises to be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. One way we can try to measure the level of fear in a given stock is through a technical analysis indicator called the RSI, which measures momentum on a scale of 0 to 100. A stock is considered to be oversold if the RSI reading falls below 30. This past week, Friday in fact, BABA actually entered oversold territory, hitting an RSI of 29.1 after getting to as low as 158.55 per share. I am by no means saying that now is the time, but a bullish investor could look at BABA's 29.1 RSI reading Friday as a sign that the recent heavy selling is in the process of exhausting itself, and begin to look for entry point opportunities on the buy side. Now look, the BABA option was the one option that crushed my all-time highs. But the very way that it crushed my all-time highs, it's also been used to get me an insane amount of gains. Proceed with caution. I never thought it would get as low as it did. I thought the lowest it would get would be 170. It's here at 160, and it's gotten as low as 152.80. So proceed with caution on this one, but this was a favorite of mine, and we have reached that territory where it looks like it's being oversold based on the RSI indicator. I should have probably mentioned earlier, but I'll let you know that I currently have no BABA nor Cardano. In the immediate to near future, I'm intending on getting some BABA, but not Cardano. At least not yet. You know, investing in cryptocurrency just used to be a lot smoother. You didn't have to report all this different information that you have to now. Coinbase is just completely monopolizing the market, and their fees are absolutely ridiculous. And of course, I'm just speaking strictly as far as US markets are concerned. So it's just something I'm gonna have to find a new way to maneuver through. So now going full throttle here on cryptocurrency, I wanna talk about Cardano, which is actually a crypto that I got involved with years ago when it was around 10 cents, and now it's flirting with $3. You're probably wondering what all the hype is about and why people are getting so excited about this particular currency, even though we've had others like Dogecoin, obviously, that have blown that performance out of the water. Well, people seem to be certain that it's going to exceed that $3 amount, and I'm down to agree. If you check the chart, it looks like it has a lot more room to grow, I'm not gonna lie. And it's worth noting that over the past month, it's shown over 100% gains. It was at 130 a month ago, and at the time of this video, it's at $2.88. So that in and of itself is only a 4% gain if it gets to $3. Cardano continuing its green run, we could really take a look at three main potential drivers, which we have firstly the broader crypto market rally, okay? Then we have a closely watched September upgrade that will give Cardano smart contract functionality similar to Ethereum. And we also have Cardano's green energy credentials compared to Bitcoin and other similar energy intensive cryptocurrencies. Now there's this financial advisory group deVere, and the CEO Nigel Green, he actually pointed to Ethereum's higher level of real use potential and quote, investor enthusiasm for the game-changing transition to Ethereum 2.0. The long-awaited Ethereum upgrade designed to make its blockchain more scalable, sustainable, and secure was begun last year and isn't expected to complete until well into 2022. Green says that Ethereum is more useful than Bitcoin and has tech advantages over its better-known rival. Ultimately, that will mean that the value will exceed that of Bitcoin probably within 5 years. Which, if that's true, we're right here at the beginning of Ethereum, right when it could have a potential movement as Bitcoin. That might be aggressive, and who knows where Bitcoin will be at that point if Ethereum gets that high. But I'm definitely a fan of Ethereum over Bitcoin in terms of its price performance, we'll say. And there's a lot of people within the community that feel that Cardano is going to beat out Ethereum. So, you know, there are even articles out right now about people that were in Dogecoin that are switching over to Cardano. So I'm just letting you know. Let me know what you think, what cryptocurrencies you're involved in, what you think about BABA. This has been The Ignorant Entrepreneur. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.